AUX wires。
这个不用要，这个这个。
它如果有音频的话就直接转。CCTV， 然后是 AUX。这好像是要。This is 4G antennas. If you want to use a SIM card. Okay, now everything's done. We're going to take it to the vehicle to connect to the car harnesses. Speaker. So we have these two left because this is a 7-inch, and we don't need this because we're installing a 2021, and this way we don't need it for the 7-inch. Okay, let's go. So this speaker, just peel it off, and stick it inside the console. There is a clip here, if you can see. Yep. All right, and then the GPS antenna. There's a small space up there inside. You can stick it inside as well. And then there are 4G antennas. Put inside.